Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, sir. My poster is here. It shows a airline billboard advertisement that says, "Will planes take over?" And noticingly, a big bullet train smashing through the billboard, answering the question with a big no. In the 1960s, it seems like cars and planes are going to take over trains and ships as the main mode of travel. However, as many train lines around the world shuts down because of lack of demand, Japan is going in the opposite direction. Japan is pouring billion, blasting through mountains and constructing over 3,000 new bridges, all to build a railway. Many criticize the project, but they will all fall silent as the first bullet train goes from Tokyo to Osaka in just 2.5 hours. Japan defied the trend of air travel and automobile, which led to the comeback of trains. Soon, the world followed, and now over 20 countries have high-speed rail lines. So, sir, you might ask, why is this important? Why are trains important than air travel? So, to show that, I will show you a graph. Okay, so if you're a passenger traveling a kilometer through a plane, you are responsible for 285 grams of carbon emissions per kilometer. And so, if you're traveling through a private car, you're responsible for 158 grams of carbon emission per kilometer. But the smallest one here, if you're traveling through a train, you're only responsible for 14 grams of carbon emission per kilometer. So, indeed, trains produces way less carbon footprint than cars or airplanes. Actually, air travel is responsible for 5% of all man-made global warming every year. Thus, the Shinkansen prevented more reliance on environmentally degrading way of transport that is the airplane. So, as of now, there are no long-distance rail lines in the Philippines. So I would like to use this as an advocacy to give awareness on the importance of trains, because I really love trains, and I really hope that one day we could travel to different islands of our country using rail. Thank you very much. That's all po.